In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely turn off your Windows Defender. Remember, this video is for educational purpose only. Windows Defender is an antivirus that comes with Windows operating system, and it works perfectly. If there is need for you to turn it off, then this video is for you. Why do you need to turn off Windows Defender? It might be because you want to install a third-party software, or sometimes you might be trying to install a cracked software. Windows Defender mostly don't allow third-party software to be installed on Windows operating system. This is to protect your files and everything you have on your computer. If you need to install a cracked software, you need to turn off your Windows Defender. But as we know, Windows Defender sometimes always turn on itself, even if you turn it off. To turn it off completely, you need to go to your settings, and go to privacy and security, then Windows security, then virus and threat protection. This is virus and threat protection settings. Go to manage settings, then you turn it off from here. After some hours that you've turned it off, this will automatically turn itself on and scan through your system and delete any third-party app or their files so that the app won't open again. So what you need to do after turning this off so that it won't turn itself on back, press Windows R from the keyboard to open this run console, then type gpedit.msc, click OK. Then double click on computer configuration here, then administrative templates, then Windows components, then Microsoft Defender Antivirus, open it. Then you see the real-time protection, open it also. So this particular settings is what you are going to enable. Turn off real-time protection. So this will allow you to turn off real-time protection completely. So I'm going to double click on it. So from here, it is not configured. So I'll just enable it like this and I'll apply, then OK. So after you enable it, you can close this, go to your virus and threat protection again, manage settings. You will find out that this has been turned off completely and it is being disabled. So you cannot turn it on like this, and Windows will not be able to turn it on by itself automatically again. So after you've used your software, you can easily go back to where you do your edit, Windows R, gpedit.msc, then go to computer configuration back, administrative template, Windows component, Windows Defender Antivirus, real-time protection. Double click on real-time protection, then you can put it on disable or not configured. So by doing that, your antivirus will come back and you'll be able to turn it on, or it will turn itself on automatically.